A documentary on monarch butterflies by Gap, Scene, Jaja, and Prim. Fun facts. Monarch butterflies are specialist species, which means that they live in very narrow environmental conditions and they have specific diets. Their migration route is up to 3,200 kilometers away. Their scientific name is Donna's plexippus. They can flap their wings 120 times when chased by a predator. Over 29 degrees Celsius might harm its growth, and some predators will find monarch butterflies distasteful. It can even become toxic.
Monarch butterfly life cycle begin with egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and become an adult, which is ready to reproduce. During larva stage, they can eat only milkweed. Sometimes they are also called as milkweed butterfly. There is a benefit from milkweed, which makes caterpillars or larva body taste horrible, so that predators don't want to eat it. Then when it turns into adult, they start to eat liquid that is found in fruit, plants, and flower. They use straw tongue, or also be called proboscis, to suck up liquid. They like to eat liquid that is found in fruits such as banana, orange, and especially watermelon, which is a very juicy fruit. Apart from juice in fruit, they also eat nectar, which is a sweet sugary liquid produced in plants such as red clover, alfalfa, thistle, and white carrot, which are good sources for monarch butterfly. Fun fact, do you know that male monarch butterflies can absorb nutrients from soil? When male monarch butterflies place their bodies on wet dirt or gravel, they can take in the moisture and minerals from the earth. This process is called mud puddling.
Monarch butterfly interaction.
How they protect themselves. Monarch butterfly can protect themselves in two ways. First, they can lay their egg on milkweed. As the caterpillars eat the milkweed leaves, they will get a chemical called cardiac glycosid, which can make them become toxic. Therefore, predators would avoid eating them. Second, the monarch butterflies will change to bright colors to warn the predator to stay away. Scientists call this approximate coloration.
Monarch butterflies have different types of predators throughout every stage of their life. Egg stage, larva stage, pupa stage, and adult stage. Egg stage, when larvae emerge from their egg. If there is another egg nearby, the larva will eat the egg. They doing this for controlling the number of eggs on each leaf. Larva stage, ants, wasps, flies, spiders attack monarch larvae on milkweed plant. These predators can eat monarch without getting any toxin.
Pupa stage. More problems in pupa stage are from parasitoid and pathogen. Parasitoid is an organism that spends a significant portion of life attached to a single host organism in a relationship. Pathogen is a bacteria or virus that can cause disease.
In adult state,
Birds such as backpack oriole and blackhead godbeaks. These species can eat large quantities of monarch without getting poisoned. It is more than 60% of monarch butterfly population.
Their migration. They migrate from southern Canada and United States to Mexico because of two reasons. One is that they cannot survive in cold winter, so they migrate to escape cold weather in northern and central continental climates. Another one reason, winter causes lack of food, so they must migrate to somewhere else that is warm enough, and they will back to north during spring because plants are plentiful. They migrate from southern Canada and United States across North America to Mexico and some part of southern California. They migrate around 2,500 miles. They usually start migrating in October, however they also can start earlier if cold weather comes earlier than that it should be. They arrive Mexico in November, then they return in March and arrive around July. During winter, they are in places that are warm all the year, such as Mexico and some parts of South California. Monarch butterfly in west of Rocky Mountain migrate to Pacific Gulf in California and hibernate in eucalyptus trees. And others in east of Rocky Mountain migrate to Mexico and hibernate in oyamel fir trees. They migrate during a day by mass movements and less during the night.
Wind does not affect their flight path. They fly to the south by using several flyways before merging into one flyway and arrive. They will cluster on trees together to keep warm. How do they know their direction? They know their direction of migration by the position of the sun and the magnetic force from the earth. Their colonial formation and dispersal rates. They have high dispersal rates due to short lifespan, and they move in large geographical areas. Factors that can affect their movement could be temperature and climate change. They start appearing in 1840s in Hawaii, and they start to disperse and spread to South Pacific during the years of 1850s and 60s. They are often in clusters and settling on tree trunks. Monarchs are able to live in local habitats and move to colonies that are nearby during November. But before dispersal occurs, these monarchs would often reproduce and become reproductive, so their colonies would be arranged with mating pairs.